Kevin, I get to walk. My name is Perlowitz.
And I'm Baruch Perlowitz, and for the very first time, we present to you the
Perlowitz Games.
Over here, we have a bunch of amazing contestants, all competing for $10,000
Here in Eichlers.
Okay, for our very first game, we have the most amazing Hasidische DJ, the one and only
Shmili Lando.
Where is he? Shmili?
Woo! Kevin, we have our awesome group of contestants, and the first challenge up tonight is musical cheers.
Let's
welcome
see.
our contestants.
Shmili, are you ready? Here we go. Guys, on your feet. Let's go faster, faster, faster. Rock it out.
We have our first eliminated Shimshi Steinmetz.
I really wanted $10,000 in Eichlers. I was gonna buy a few shot sets.
Finish my shit, right?
Finish my shit, everything's my shit.
Shimshi, from all the people that were going to win musical chairs, I thought you would definitely be from the winners. And now for round two. Shmili, are you ready? Contestants, are you ready? Here we go, round two of musical chairs.
Reggie,
I'm gonna get so much sits in.
Oh, he has a cheer. He has a cheer. Maishi.
Oh, yeah. We got Sheldon Mayer in it.
Moshe, you were in camp, you're in the plays, you're in everything. How'd you lose?
Shalomai, you know what I'm saying? Shalomai like weighs a bit more. Shalomai, sorry.
Shmili, give us one more round over here, Shmili.
We
Let's
already
do it
eliminated
again.
2 people. Let's see who's going to be eliminated now.
It's gonna be Reggie.
Oh, this one's very tight. I don't know. We need somebody to come in over here.
No way.
Oh boy. Okay, so in our last round over here of musical chairs, we had a tie between Izzy and Avrumi. So what are we doing, Chaim?
We're going to do a replay of just these 2 contestants around one chair, and let's see who is going to win. Who do you guys think is going to win this?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round.
All right, Izzy, that was a great hustle. 3rd round you made it to.
What do you feel like, Izzy?
We are going to do 1 round of musical chairs, Chaim, you and I. What do you
No
think?
way.
No, you can always say no.
Wow. What a challenge. Thank you, Shmili. Shmili, what's your stuff, the challenge?
I think it was a lot of fun. It was like heavy challenge over here. But on my side, it was awesome.
Shmili, you're a legend. Thank you so much for doing this.
Oh, yeah.
Have it one more time, the one and only Shmili Lando.
Shmili, for all your challenges, Shmili.
Challenges.
And the next up is my brother Baruch's rivalry game show.
We've done this game show thousands of times, but over here, we bring it to our amazing contestants.
Woo!
The way this works is we are going to ask trivia questions on the screen. Every one of our contestants has one of these. They could answer using these buttons at the end once the timer's up. If it's red, they are eliminated. Here we go. You guys ready?
We're going to eliminate 3 contestants with this challenge. Reggie, are you in?
Not me.
How about you, Shalom?
Not me, not me.
What do you say, Suki?
We are taking this all the way.
It might be me.
Sound like a hesitant. It might be me.
All right, we have a bunch of confident contestants. We are going to start off with our very first question. We have a picture over here of somebody, a very famous person. And our question is, who is this? If you think it's the Minka Chereba or the Munka Chereba, press number 1. If you think it's the Shpola Zayda, press number 2. If you think it was the Baal Shem Tov, press number 3. And if you think it's the Nikolsberger Rebbe, press number 4. We have 3 seconds left. 2, 1, and the correct answer, of course, is we got 100% on this one. Banking on our first question, we are going to continue it. What Rosh Chodesh do we finish the entire holiday? Rosh Chodesh Nisan, Rosh Chodesh Teves, or Rosh Chodesh Kislev?
Shlomo, you know
On
this
what
one?
Rosh Chodesh? What do you think it is? On what Rosh Chodesh do we
Reggie,
finish?
do you say Hallel, Reggie?
The entire Hallel.
I love Holla.
It might be me.
So we have Moshe Weiss over here that clicked Rosh Chodesh Kislev. Now, true that Hanukkah isn't Kislev, but the Rosh Chodesh that is on Hanukkah is Rosh Chodesh Teves. Better luck next time. Okay, we have 2 eliminated by this past round, but right now the questions are only going to get
A lot harder.
What part of davening is impossible to say without thinking first? Shmoyne Esra, Shir Shel Yoim, Shema or Ashrei. So we have 5 seconds left. We are down to 3, 2, 1, and the correct answer is...
Down to 6 contestants. Awesome show. Thank you, Baruch. Let's go to the next challenge. And for our next challenge, we are going to go shopping here in Eichlers with our 6 contestants.
Eichlers has thousands and thousands of items. The idea is we have to fill up our carts to get closest to
$300.
whoever's closest, whether above or below $300 stays in. Whoever's furthest from $300
Is out.
Are you guys ready? Here we go!
What's $12.99 plus $11?
Reggie, the Tanya is yours. Likutei Siches. And Likutei Siches.
We're here with Shalom Meir. Let's see. He's got a Shulchan Aruch Harav. He has a Zohar HaKadosh. A lot of Hasidic Shorim over here with Shalom Meir.
I don't know, man. I really don't.
We have over here Shimon Simkowitz, all the way from Muncie. He went straight to the gold and silver. Let's see. A beautiful tots for his mother, a challah thingy, a kenai nahar, a negelvasser shissel. Let's see how close he's going to get to $300. Okay, we right now have 2 minutes left. A full minute is gone, guys. 2 minutes left. Matre. Okay, everybody. Woohoo! Reggie over here. 2 minutes left.
On his head. Matre was aus der schon. Du hast das Schatz auf Yomi? Matre lehnt auf Yomi. Matre hat auf Yomi. A pen. You got a pen inside.
We have Shulam over here. Shulam said he wants some stuff for his kids. Shulam, let's see. We have all of these toys, the games, the puzzles, the keychains. Let's see. Best father, best father-in-law. Let's see. Some stickers, puzzles, Kugelach. If you get enough Kugelach, you'll get the $300.
I like it. How much is it worth?
It matched my logo.
How much is it?
I don't know. Check the price. Let's go. Get involved, Reggie. Now you look like a pro, Reggie. It's your issue.
It's a me problem.
It's gonna be a problem. All right. What else do we got, Reggie? You have a Torah on your talis?
No.
Chabad, they don't. Oh. Woman. Surely. Hashan Allah MDY Surim. What's that name? Surely got a challah board here. All right. Good sourdoughs coming up.
Everybody, we have 10 seconds left. We are down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody, let's line up. Okay, I have Shalom Meir over here.
I have Reggie over here.
Let's start scanning.
Here. Shalom Meir! It was awesome playing with you. Thank you so much for being part of the challenge.
For our next contest over here, we have my brother's famous yes, no, but over here, it has different rules. Chaim, take it away.
Eichlers versus Perlowitz. That's the 2 sides on the floor. We have 5 contestants in Tzuli Pesach, Reggie, Matra Pinkes, Shulim, and Simko. Let's see who's going to make it. A lot of hustling, a lot of jumping. Guys, are you ready?
Yes. Here we
We're
go.
on Perlowitz. Eichlers is on this side. Feet together all time. 3, 2, 1. Eichlers. Perlowitz. Eichlers. Perlowitz. A little faster. Eichlers. Perlowitz. Uh-oh.
Ooh, very good. That was close.
All right, Matra, that was a close call. Buck, how do you feel about that? 3, 2, 1. Round 2. Eichlers. Shulim, what an awesome elimination. It was so good, I'm in the mood of eliminating just 1 more contestant. You guys agree? Let's eliminate 1 more. Reggie, was it going to be you?
I just want to say it is much more challenging Motzei Shabbos after the Cholent, the Gala, the Kiddush, the everything. It is making this
Reggie
so much
doesn't
more
eat Gala.
difficult.
Reggie, you eat Gala?
I don't know what that is.
We have 4 contestants left. Let's see who's going to knock this one out over here. 3, 2, 1, and we're now on Perlowitz. Eichlers on this side. Let's go. Eichlers. Perlowitz. Eichlers. Eichlers. Good try, Bingus. Together. Eichlers. Okay. Perlowitz. Perlowitz. Oh! Shimon Simkowitz from Monsey Chavaydim. Thank you, Shimon. Awesome. And with our 3 contestants left, we are up to our next challenge. Let's go.
For the next challenge, our contestants have to find these items in the store. Whoever is last is eliminated.
All right, Reggie, I don't know if you know any of these items over here. I don't know how well your Yiddish is, but...
My Yiddish is amazing. Is amazing a Yiddish word?
Isn't either.
My Yiddish is oyster gewöhnlich. And I'm going to get all of these stuff. Ich will get in all of die Sachen. And Mashiach now.
Gewaldig. You're going to get in all of these stuff. Gewaldig. Contestants, are you ready? Yeah. Here we go.
Kevin, the selection is so big. There's so many swims, so many books on Eichler that the audience is getting lost looking for the stuff. Let's see where Reggie is. Let's see where Motka Pinkas is. Let's see where Shuli Pesach is.
Shirley Green's noise. Shirley Green's noise. Perfect. We got that next thing. Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Okay. And our last person here was Motka. Motka lost this by about 2.5 seconds. If that.
Ja, but no, it's even. Hope you wish this is. Oh, the master, we made it.
About 2.5 seconds late.
2.5 seconds too late.
Yeah.
Wow, Motka.
Our last one over here was Motka. That was a great hustle.
Motka,
Everybody's out of breath.
found the promise book. Right?
Yeah, you can find the promises.
So why you tell anybody about it?
Thank you so much, guys.
And we are down to the final challenge of the night.
This is going to be the most intense game of Jenga ever.
Reggie, what are you going to do if you win this game?
I'm going to buy tzitzis for my whole family, including my sisters and my mother. And we're just going to swim in a pool of tzitzis, and it's going to be so much fun.
Reggie, you want $5,000 here in Eichlers, and you go home, or you want to play the game?
No, I'm staying right here. I'm going to win this.
Shirley has skinny fingers over here. Let's see what Shirley could do.
Shirley, I'm going to get down low just to see it. Better view.
Give it a whack out.
Shuckle. Oh!
My wife taught me how to build a bais naman Yisrael.
Okay, our winner over here. Reggie, the very first winner of the Perlowitz Games. What was your toughest challenge over here today?
My toughest challenge was easily before this. They brought pizza and they said, please don't eat it. So that was my toughest challenge. I actually got some pizza on my tzitzis.
Reggie, what are you going to do with the $10,000?
I told you, I'm going to buy tzitzis for everyone. Whoever wants tzitzis, send me a DM. We're buying you tzitzis!
And now let's bring in the owner of Eichlers, Mr. Traub, the owner of 1-800-Eichlers. He is going to be writing out the check now to Reggie. Traub, what's your words for Reggie?
Thank you so much. Looking forward to servicing you here in 1-800-Eichlers. You don't have to come all the way down. You just send us a WhatsApp, and we'll get it delivered to Crown Heights.
Wow.
Perfect.
Delivery to Crown Heights?
Same day.
Kevin, this was the first of many, many, many challenges to come. Thank you, Baruch, for hosting with me. Thank you, Mr. Traub, for hosting the challenge in your store.
I only have one thing to say. 1-800-Eichlers!